front of me is BIGME HiBreak Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Devices Settings and clicking on Apps over here. Then select Application Clone and click on plus icon next to any app you wish to clone. Then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my app was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, use bin icon right next to your app and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!